1,957 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 15th May 2021. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 75.60. 3,512 people recovered in last 24 hours. 58 new deaths reported today. In total, 2,056 deaths reported in Goa till today. Total active cases in the state now stands at 30,774. Breakup of total 30,774 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa CSC Picholim 788, CSC Sake 1167, CSC Pernam 1296, CSC Varpai 923, USC Mapsa 1185, USC Panji 1692, PSC Haldwana 713, PSC Bedki 785, PSC Kandolim 1749, PSC Kansarvarnem 277, PSC Korwai 685, PSC Kollem 962, PSC Chimpel 1321, PSC Shuolem 1207, PSC Porvorim 1440, PSC Maim 359, Travelers by road flight train 4. South Goa CSC Kurchorim 697, CSC Kankona 522, USC Markau 2356, USC Vasco 886, PSC Bali 470, PSC Kansavlim 1049, PSC Chinchinim 476, PSC Kortalim 1318, PSC Kurtorim 641, PSC Lutolim 817, PSC Marsaim 485, PSC Kapam 557, PSC Sangam 515, PSC Shirara 681, PSC Darbandara 509, PSC Ponda 1657, PSC Navilim 585. Bed capacity in COVID care centers are as follows. District North, total capacity 416, current vacancy 299. District South, total capacity 230, current vacancy 105. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.